going to look forward to from then to now? How does it feel?
It feels truly blessed. It's a wonderful feeling. I actually never thought that I'll write a book, but it just came along. And all my heart and soul and everything that I knew, I've just put it in this book. It's all there. It's for any person who's interested or not interested in cooking, would actually try any recipe from this book, and he can just come up with a wonderful dish with very less effort. Because this is how I see food, and being a new generation chef, I believe that, the new generation is, they want to, at one point they want something quick and easy. At the other hand, they want, things to just like, they don't want too many complicated things happening around, and they just want to make something out of nothing. Whatever ingredients are available, just put it all together and cook something really fantastic. There are a lot of innovative recipes which I'm known for. I've done a lot of stuff, but every recipe has a thought attached to it. There's always a thought with every recipe. That's what I believe, and that's what I've put in this book. It's got my travel, it's got my recipes from Himachal, from where I belong, and I've tried to spread that word across what Himachali recipes are or what regional food is, which I feel is really nice, because we turn abroad to check, what recipes are there and international cuisines and all. At the same time, India is full of recipes. It's full of exciting and new recipes. Every time I travel, I find something new around. So that is all in this book, right from basics to exotic, everything. Thank you.
All right. Shipra, on that note, we're going to have a very flexible, a very brief discussion about the evolution of food in India. You just mentioned about, a lot of times how food lovers turn to maybe restaurants abroad or draw references from what they watch and they taste, on a holiday abroad. The man sitting right beside you is one of the reasons why that thought process may have changed. So, sir, I'd like to start with you, since we're briefly discussing the central topic being the evolution of food in India. Today, with the kind of exposure, you could take the MasterChef series for an example. There is so much of thought behind every recipe. There's so much of curiosity behind every cuisine. Do you think India has truly evolved, or at least the lovers of food have truly evolved and have accommodated various flavors of the world?
I think the story